Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Cloud Stack Management Server version 4.15 plus MySQL 8 on CentOS 7. This is my server information, IP address, Cloud Stack Management Server, operating system CentOS 7, RAM 2GB, disk 25GB, CPU 2, CPU mode 64-bit service, Apache Cloud Stack Management Server version 4.15, database MySQL 8, Java 11 JDK, hostname fully FPDN cloud.technologyrss.local. Now I check server version, CentOS 7.8 core version, and hostname, open hostname, and all server information must be include this hostname. This is my Cloud Stack Management Server IP address and hostname. This is my KVM server and this is hostname. This is my NFS server. This is hostname. Then save and exit. Check fully FPDN is properly working. Yes, cloud.technologyrss.local, and now can check ping. My IP address point to my hostname, and now ping internet cloudstack.apache.org. Any firewall must be stopped. Disable firewall D, and then must be AC Linux is disable. And then save and exit. Must be a reboot after AC Linux configuration, otherwise it is not effect. Then I can connect my server and install EPL release. Successfully done EPL release, and now update this server. It will take up to 10 to 20 minutes. Complete update installation done. For process, accept download installation process. Now again set up Y for received key from the CentOS repo. Now updating, then install it. Yum update done. Now install some package wget and crony for time synchronize, and then add Cloud Stack latest repo into this file. Then add MySQL 8 community release. Download this file and add this repo. Then install MySQL service using this command. Now running installation process. Download file size 501 MB. MySQL server installation done. Now run this command for start MySQL service and enable MySQL service. Find MySQL temporary root password for login MySQL terminal. This is temporary MySQL root password. Yes, login successfully, and now update MySQL root password using a strong password policy. Must be use strong password policy. otherwise you cannot run cloud stack setup database command. Now run skip grant table from MySQL. Now done MySQL skip grant tables. Now restart MySQL D service and then check MySQL status. Yes, MySQL properly running. Now install Python MySQL connector. Yes, Python connector done. Now install cloud stack management command using yum option y. Install cloud stack management. Check dependency package already installed. Now total download file size 325 MB. Install size 584 MB. Now downloading packages. Cloud stack common 4.15.1 RPM package. It will take up to 10 to 20 minutes for download and installation complete. Now installation running. Cloud stack management service installation done. Now check which Java version installed. Yes, Java 11 OpenJDK installed. Now OK. Now set up cloud stack management service database using this command. Cloud stack setup database. This is username cloud. This is for cloud user password, not root password. @localhost deploy as a root. This is root password. Cloud stack has successfully initialized database. You can check your database configuration in this location. Now cloud stack setup management command. Starting the cloud stacks management server. Configure cloud stack management server. OK. Cloud stack management server setup is done. Please ensure the following ports are open for the management server to function properly: 8080, 8250, 8443, 9090 must be enabled from IP tables. So now I enable this port from IP tables. And save and exit and restart IP table service and check cloud stack server log. I see cloud stack default database include running. Now download system VM into my secondary folder using this command. Now successfully installed system VM template and template properties. Now you mount secondary storage and remove this storage. This storage must be removed if you use an NFS server is separate server, but if you use NFS server on your management server, so you cannot remove this directory. Now access this new URL and this is old URL. Username admin and password is password. Now try login. and change some global settings. I have used Cloud Stack before. Skip this guide. Change false to true and C certificate. Change true to false. True to false and add local server IP using Apache web server for download ISO. Download ISO. Yes, then must be restart your management service from terminal and then check log. Now check time zone. Checking time zone American New York. No, this is incorrect. Check my local time zone. My local time zone is Asia Dhaka, and then check. Yes, now set up Asia Dhaka, and then you can use reboot or check IP table service. Yes, IP table service starting. Now check log what is running. Now successfully installation done. Now wait next video for setup advanced zone using this resource. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.